In this video, we are going to learn about zero-shot prompting. Now, zero-shot prompting is an amazing technique that allows AI models to generate text for new tasks without needing additional training or fine-tuning. Thanks to pre-existing language models like GPT-3, which are trained on diverse tasks. So you can get the AI to perform new tasks straight out of the box. This technique is super handy for quick and easy adaptation of various tasks. Now, why do we need zero-shot prompting? First thing, it's fast and efficient. No need for large amounts of task-specific training data. Versatility, it works with a wide range of tasks right away. Adaptability, it is great for models aligned with reinforcement learning with human feedback. Let's look at how zero-shot prompting works with some thrilling examples. Now, a good strategy for prompt engineering is to start with zero-shot prompts. If the output isn't what you expected, you can then move on to more advanced techniques. Let's see some examples. Now, zero-shot prompting can be used for text classification by providing a clear description of the categories you want. Let's classify reviews based on cuisine type. This is my prompt, which says, classify the following text as either a review of a Japanese restaurant or a review of an Indian restaurant. I enjoyed a delightful sushi meal at this restaurant. The fish was fresh and the presentation was exquisite. So most of us know that sushi is a Japanese cuisine, and that's exactly the output that the AI model gave. The given text is a review of a Japanese restaurant. So here, the model uses its understanding of language and context to classify the text accurately. Pretty cool, right? Next, information extraction. Extracting key information from text is a breeze with zero-shot prompting. Now here's an example. This is my prompt which says extract the key phrases from the following email. Now this is my email, which is quite an extensive email. And I want the AI model to extract the key phrases from the email, which says project timelines, resource allocation, upcoming tasks, performance metrics, Q2, and new product launch and discussion in next meeting. So the model nails it by pulling out the important details of the email based on its training. Zero-shot prompting at its best. While zero-shot prompting is powerful, it is not perfect. Here are some limitations to keep in mind. You don't have much control over the AI's output. It generates responses based on its own understanding, which might not always align with your expectations. For tasks that require multiple steps or deep domain knowledge, zero-shot prompting might not cut it. These tasks often need more detailed instructions or fine-tuning. If your task involves a rare or specialized field, the AI might struggle. It hasn't been trained on specific examples from these niches. Zero-shot prompting works best for short text. For longer pieces like articles or reports containing thousands and thousands of words, it might need more inputs and guidance to stay on track. Even though zero-shot prompting is fast and versatile, it has its limits. But do not worry. There are other prompting techniques to help overcome these challenges. So if you want quick and versatile outputs through AI interaction, zero-shot prompting is an incredible technique. It's perfect for tasks that need instant adaptation without extra training of the AI model. So, I hope this video made sense. Keep learning and of course, keep practicing.